DJA TV.
CBN don release new policy on top USSD charges. My betalicious somebody wey know every. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time wey you take see this video. How your side? I wan thank you well wey you don always say dey watch our videos and wey take dey follow us. Abeg, in case you never subscribe, this is the first time wey you dey see any of our videos, make you no waste time. Abeg, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you go be one of the first persons to know anytime wey we drop new video. Now to the matter wey we carry come. CBN, wey be the Central Bank of Nigeria, don release new charges on top USSD. If in case you no know wetin be USSD na be that short code wey we dey always dey use to dey perform banking transactions for inside Nigeria. Wey be like say even though you no dey use an Android phone or all those big phones there, even with your small touchlight phone, you go fit use banking services there inside your phone. Now, the Central Bank of Nigeria and the Nigerian Communications Commission (NCC) don talk say new update don dey on top of dis USSD charges. E bin get at the beginning of this month of March, dem bin dey say dem go soon suspend USSD services for bank sake of the 42 billion naira debt wey be like say dis financial service providers dey owe telecommunication people dem. Now, the Central Bank of Nigeria and the NCC, they come put head together say, okay, telecommunication people, how we go take resolve this issue? Because USSD don be like say e don dey part of every Nigerian now. E don make banking services dey very easy for people. So on top this wetin dem call release, and they say every bank customer now go start to dey pay 6 naira 98 kobo for every USSD transaction wey dem perform with their SIM card. The oga kpatakpata wey be the Minister of Communication and Digital Economy, Issa Pantami, don talk say dis na because say telecommunication people talk say dem go soon strike. They go halt their services of the USSD. So in order for them not to halt the services, they come decide so how they go do am. So oga Pantami, they come meet with key stakeholders to resolve this wahala because of the interest of the general public. So they come resolve and say from the 16th of March 2021, all USSD services for financial transaction wey dem dey conduct for DMBs and CBN licensed institution go dey come with the extra charge of 6 naira 98 kobo per transaction. Now some people feel say wetin come be this USSD one that they even dey talk sef. Now see some of the things wey you suppose to sabi on top this USSD matter. Now USSD means unstructured supplementary service data, wey dey allow people without smartphone or data or internet connection to use their mobile banking with different codes. Some bank get some na *426* hash, some na *901#, some na *100#, depending on wetin you wan do. Although this USSD, e will be like SMS, wey be short message system, but e get difference, you understand. USSD dey allow bank users dey interact directly with their mobile phone, and from there dem fit dey make other selections to enter different menu. SMS na direct message. Why? During USSD session, the USSD message dey create real-time connection. That one mean say USSD dey enable two-way communication of information as long as the communication line dey open. During this USSD communication line, both question and answer dey happen almost at the same time. People dey fit use USSD for different purposes like mobile banking, you understand. So with USSD, you no even need mobile app or internet access before you fit access your bank. The people dey use USSD for network configuration and request. They how they configure if you buy new phone or you want to concern internet and all of that, maybe you want to subscribe your data bundle and all those things, then you dey feel you dey use a your USSD. Now if you still use USSD for customer update request, as USSD don join enterprise resource planning and customer relationship management system to request updated customer information. You fit also use USSD for marketing survey. You understand? Some organization dey go create their special code, so they do some kind survey so that customer go fit give them real-time feedback. Then you fit still use USSD services for callback services. Maybe you wanted somebody may call you back. You know those MTN call me back, Glo call me back, you know that kind of matter. About the talk. USSD also do for order confirmation. Now, for people like all these food delivery services now, they fit use USSD to enable customers to place their order and to also alert vendors say customer don place order. Another thing you use USSD for na to buy voucher. You understand? You have to buy recharge card. If you have to send recharge card, they send different coupons them. All this one might be the better uses of this USSD. Now you know me say all these services that you go dey pay now only the one wey concern bank now you go dey pay, because all these other services them, if you don't use USSD before, you know say some of all these services they really cost money right on time. They go tell you some they cost 10 naira, some they cost 20 naira, some they cost 15 naira, depending on what they want use that they do. So that one they already they go on before. Although the CBN they talk say this new charge where they add so will be 6 naira 98 kobo flat fee for any transaction. Now for new USSD charge on behalf of the mobile network operators directly from customer bank accounts. So they're not going to charge your SIM card. Not be your SIM card that they charge. Once you do any transaction with your bank using your USSD code, your short code, all those or bank code as you they call them, they go charge you. They go add and join the money where you they transfer, or maybe money anything where you they do. If you they buy recharge card from your bank, they go charge you. Anything where you they do now, they go charge you for inside. They say although banks no go impose additional charges on customers where they use the USSD channels where they create. So now only the one we say CBN or NCC charge you directly from your bank account, now they go do. So bank no get right to say okay, more you make around figure 10 naira. They say no. So now for Nigeria, now you want withdraw like say 5,000 naira. I'm gonna break 5,000 naira down. Number one, they'll charge you 4 naira for alert. For that 5,000 when you want withdraw, they go charge you 6 naira 98 kobo for your USSD charge. If you dey transfer that money go another bank, they go charge you 26 naira 88 kobo. If you dey go withdraw that money for another ATM, they go charge you 65 naira. If you transfer the money give person, the person they receive the money, they go charge the person 50 naira as stamp duty. If you use your ATM, at the end of the month, they go charge you ATM maintenance charges of 100 naira and above. If you call me, you go withdraw this money for POS stand, they go charge you 100 naira for that 5,000 when you want withdraw. The matter now so it tie rapper. Nigerians don't react to say, hey, this thing where they do so, it not just make sense at all. Say it not just make sense at all. Somebody say the VAT and the increase in fuel, you know they enough. Yet these charges, he say these people self, they take pleasure in making sure say people they suffer for inside Nigeria. Say meanwhile even the minimum wage self, you know every day enough for people to even use. Now they just they add charges upon charges. Another person don't react and say the only thing in Nigeria not they charge for na air. Now they charge. Say everything for this Nigeria, they charge, they put. Or now say okay, they want make we pay the debt of 42 billion naira. Say these banks they owe telecom people now. Banks they owe telecom now we go pay. Now wow. Another doctor say no problem. It's like they don't want most of the they don't know that most of the microfinance banks are coming up with cheap and affordable transaction processes. Maybe instead of having those yeye banks that will be charging me off my savings every month as bank charges, I will just have to open numerous microfinance banks that charges me almost nothing. With my Kuda Microfinance Bank and VFD Microfinance Bank, I have been boycotting unnecessary bank SMS. Now, this matter where they play now, so for me, I don't know what the reason, because this USSD service where you talk about, so say banks, they owe telecom 42 billion. Make telecom people sue banks to court, or make the carry AFCC go meet bank people. That will not concern us, because right from time they always charge for this USSD. They don't they charge, they come small. Sometimes they'll charge you 10 naira, sometimes they'll charge you 20 naira. They don't they charge for this thing, they come. See, so this was saying CBN, they want to now. We don't understand this central bank governor and this minister for finance, I mean minister for communication and economy. All of them will not just understand the what they ever did now for inside the country. So small money person will just still work now. They want to collect their own share for inside the money. Now, wow, where the carriers they go for this country safe? The tired person, you shook my for this matter. How you see this thing? It makes sense. May they continue, Abi. Person go get 1,000 naira. Say, okay, I get 1,000 naira for account. Make I still go withdraw. So matter you receive SMS say they don't come out monthly maintenance fee. They don't remove SMS charges. They don't remove alert fee. They don't remove this one fee, that one fee. Before you know people withdraw your small 1,000 again. The matter they vex me. Shook my for the matter. How you see her? It good, I be not good. Because when this whole thing they go now, people go, Nigeria government, we don't know the one who want to talk, sha. Anyways, don't forget to drop your comment, like this video, share the video, subscribe, and I bet turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and our new channel for TikTok. All of them are DJM TV. Now there you take see us, and if you place your advert with us in case you want me to advertise your product for you, and make you, in fact, once you advertise with us, just rest your mind, say your market, it go reach the people where you want me. If people go see your market, in fact, now so your business go, they go few, everything go just move sharp, go they move, they smooth like butter. Anyway, here we'll come to the end of this edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. I bet may you not forget to subscribe. My name is still Lawuro Favor, and they tell you to say this life and wash hand, na until they clean. Una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask their questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV.